Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix a tassel to a kimono that have a V-shaped collar. Let's go straight to the tutorial. You're welcome. So I'll be fixing two tassels to it, a white and a black. So this is the collar. This is the collar part of the gown. So you can see how it looks like. So I have already loosened the middle a little bit because I have already finished up the gown. So I'll just insert the tassel inward, the two. So I'm going to place them together. I'm not going to separate them. So this is it. The tassels are placed together. So this is the handles. What I'm just going to do now, I'll hold it down with my hand and I'll take it over to the sewing machine and just stitch together with the fabric. So after I'm done stitching, this is how it looks like. You can see how beautiful it is looking. This is just the simple way to fix a tassel to your fabric. And this is the final look. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to like.